Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you two powerful ingredients that you can add to this remedy, which will help to moisturize, firm, smooth and boost collagen production. So stay tuned and find out how I make this. This remedy, I'm going to make use of avocado. So I'm going to cut the avocado into two. I'll be using half of the avocado. So I'm going to scoop out the avocado flesh. You can decide to mash it until smooth. You can decide to blend it into a smooth puree. Avocado contains some important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, which will help to support skin health. Avocado has healthy fat, which will help to soothe skin condition, prevent skin damage, prevent dry skin, and help to minimize breakout. So when I'm done mashing the avocado, I'll be adding egg. So I'm going to make use of egg white. Egg white will help to firm your skin by removing excess dirt, oil, and dry cells. It will help to firm, shrink your pores, reduce puffiness, get rid of blemishes. You need to mix this very well until well combined. This is amazing mask that contains vitamin C and A, which can be found in the avocado. And the avocado plays an important role by protecting your skin from damage caused by the sun. It also helps to improve your skin elasticity. The fat found in avocado will help to increase skin elasticity and also reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Make sure that you apply this mask on a clean skin. Wash your face with warm water so that your pores will open. Then apply this mask on your skin. You can use brush or your fingers. Then leave it to stay for about 15 minutes. Then rinse out with cold water. Pan dry and moisturize your skin. Applying this remedy, it will help to tighten, firm your skin, and also help to shrink your pores. For effective results, you can use this remedy at least 2 times in a week and also eat healthy. You can also check out my video on how to make some healthy smoothie that will help your skin. It will help to smooth your skin and also help to boost collagen production. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.